Welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy and my goal here is to help you to play better and sound better in your worship services. Today I'm going to go over the preset for the song That's Who I Praise by Brandon Lake. I recorded that one with the Helix. Today I'm going to go over the tones using the HX Stomp, and I'll explain the differences when I go through the signal chain. This one's built around an AC30, and the Helix signal chain is deluxe comp into the simple pitch, into the Diana drive, into the volume pedal, and then it splits into dual AC30s, each with their own cab, and then the transistor tape delay, dynamic hall reverb, and the simple EQ bumping that holy mid-range. This one has 6 different snapshots set up to cover all the tones in the song, and they're all labeled to match what you see on the screen for the snapshot callouts. For the HX Stomp, it's a little bit simpler. It is the deluxe comp into the simple pitch, into the Diana drive, and then it goes into a single AC30, and then a dual cab block into the transistor tape, the dynamic hall reverb, and the simple EQ bumping that holy mid-range. So this one's set up with 3 snapshots, all with the bass tone. So the overdrive amount is right, the delay volumes are all right, and then for swells for snapshot 3. And then I have simple pitch set up on foot switch 2, and then I have a volume bump set up on foot switch 1. So at the end of that song, I used a louder volume to kind of provide ambient support for the vocal. If I was to do that at church, that's how I would handle that. And so I wanted to put that in there. And if you want to bump any of the volumes, it's just enough, like almost like a lead tone bump. You could kick up anything a little bit with that. All right, we're going to go through that one with the Strat, with the Gretsch, and with the PRS loaded with humbuckers. All right, let's hear it. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. If you need the resources for this song, you can get them in the description box below, along with a handful of free downloads. All right, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.